I am to call the attention of the Chief Minister, Minister for Tribal Welfare on to the following. Attention of the House is called as regards the people of Savarnam constituency as well as Goa state at large, especially tribal population, about improper assessment of forest right claims and also inordinate delay in settlement of claims in both North Goa as well as South Goa districts.
Minute. Speaker, sir. Speaker, sir. The implementation of the Forest Right Act 2006 is then commenced in the state of Goa in the year 2012. The Forest Right Committee, Subdivisional Level Committee and the District Level Committees have been formed under FRA 2006. At the apex level, the State Level Monitoring Committee is headed by the Chief Secretary, State of Goa. To expedite the work and disposing of the claims, the state government has engaged the committee, the private agency, and for the survey and demarcation of the forest right claim to complete the process of the spot verification and survey. The agency has already initiated the process of survey and demarcation of the approved claim by the DLC. During the financial year 23-24, 308 claims have been approved, 386 titles have been distributed, and 20 claims have been rejected. In the state of Goa, there is a suo motu updations of the revenue record and once the title handed over to the beneficiaries. The Directorate of Tribal Welfare give allowances to the member of the Forest Right Committee who attend the spot verification of the claim. That the Forest Right Committee, FRC, is received the total number of 10,136 claims under this annexure is enclosed. The individual claims is 9,758 and community claim is 378. Out of the said claim, the spot verification has been completed in respect of 6,543 claims and 4,123 claims have been approved by the Gram Sabha. 1,958 claims have been approved by the SDLC and 1,457 claims have been approved by the DLC. In respect of 871 claims, Sanad and have been issued and 54 claims have been rejected after providing an opportunity of the personal hearing by the district level committee. The Director of Tribal Welfare has conducted the various workshops for the title holder in the North Goa and South Goa for the title holders by engaging the officials of the Department of Agriculture Horticulture Corporation. The purpose of the said workshop programs is to create the awareness among the forest right holders of the various schemes, subsidiary scheme of the government so that they can make best use of the such scheme for a livelihood purpose. The Director of the Tribal Welfare, in collaboration with the Goa Institute of the Public Administration and Rural Development, GPARD, as a part of the capacity building under the Forest Right Act 2006, has conducted the training cum workshop program to sensitize the member of the Forest Right Committee about the various provisions of the Act at the village level in order to expedite the disposal claims at the Gram Sabha level. The Director of the Tribal Welfare has also conducted the training cum workshop on FRA under Tribal Research Institute, Goa, centrally sponsored scheme, in collaboration with the Goa Institute of the Public Administration and Rural Development as a part of the capacity building under the Forest Right Act 2006. For the member of the district level committee, sub-divisional level committee and a special committee, the government for this purpose had called the eminent resource person to recognize by the Ministry of Tribal Welfare, Tribal Affairs in New Delhi. The Director of the Tribal Welfare is also planning to conduct the refresher training cum workshop on FRA under Tribal Research Institute, Goa, in collaboration with the Goa Institute of Public Administration and Rural Department as a part of this capacity building and under the Forest Right Act 2006 and for the member of the district level committee, sub-divisional level committee and special committee for the speedy disposal of cases. The entire process of the disposing of the claims is very time consuming and lot of difficulties are faced by the ground level during the physical verification. The main reason for the same is to lack of interest in the member of the Forest Right Committee and non-recommendation of the claim by FRC to the Gram Sabha and for the Gram Sabha resolution, which affects the implementation of the FRA 2006 in speedy manner. The processing of the claim at the various levels has now granted the momentum for after the appointment of the private survey agency and for the survey and intensive training to all levels. The claimants will get their right on the forest right cultivated by them in due course of time upon the following due process as law. I have attached the annexure.
Speaker sir, एक कॉलिंग अटेंशन हाडपा फाटल्यान म्हजो एक हेतू आसा. म्हाका याद जाता 2012 तुमी तेन्ना ट्रायबल मिनिस्टर आसलेले आनी 2012 गोंयांत FRA 2006 लागू केल्लो. आतां तो कायदो लागू करपा फाटल्यान आनी पास करपा फाटल्यान 3 मेन रिजन आसलेले. एक रिजन म्हणजे कशें आसा की कन्जर्वेशन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, एन्श्युरिंग द लायवलीहूड अँड फूड सेक्युरिटी ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट डेलर्स. आतां ह्या फॉरेस्ट एक्टा प्रमाणे आमच्या FRC प्रमाणे शेड्यूल टायप फॉरेस्ट डेलर्स आनी अदर ट्रेडिशनल फॉरेस्ट डेलर यांचो दोगांचो जो पळय फरक आसा न्ही त्या फरका भितर मुद्दाम करून सांगता कळपा लागून की शेड्यूल ट्रायब आसा ते रिजायड करपा जाय आसलेले आमच्या फॉरेस्ट लँडाक प्रायर टू कट ऑफ डेट 13/12/2005. 13/12 म्हणटरी आमकां याद जाता आमच्या आदल्या मुख्यमंत्र्याची माननी मनोहरबाईची तेजी बर्थडेट 13/12 आसलेली. एक विशय मुद्दाम करून सांगता हांव की अदर ट्रेडिशनल फॉरेस्ट डेव्हलपर्स जे आसा न्ही स्पीकर सर, तांकां कमीत कमी ह्या कट ऑफ डेटीच्या पयलीं 75 इयर्स थंय रावपा जाय आसलेले. आतां हें सांगपाचें फाटल्यान कारण इतलें की आमच्या धारबांदोडेचे खुबश्यो केसीस ज्यो पळय आसा पळय न्ही त्यो तांकां जमीन जी पळय क्लेमंटान क्लेम केल्या तेजे पेक्षा कमी जमीन तांकां अलॉट केल्या डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल कमिटीन. हांव माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन पयर उलयलां. माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगलां की ती आमी कितें जे पळय विशय हो आसा तो सॉल्व करुया. पूण एक क्लियरली सांगता हांव की जमीन जी कोणी ज्या मनशान कल्टिवेट केल्या ताका दिता आसतना एक झाडाक 40 स्क्वेअर मिटर जमीन अलॉटमेंट चालू केला आतां आनी हें डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवलाचेर चालू केल्या. कशें जाता की 20 वर्सां पयलींची झाडां जर समज 100 आसा जाल्यार ताका कितले मेळटली, ताका 4000 स्क्वेअर मिटर जमीन मेळटली. आनी तेणें जर क्लेम जर केल्ली जमीन आसा तेजी 20,000 आनी बारीक जर झाडां समज तेजी आसा कमी वयाची जाल्यार ती जमीन ताका दिना ते. त्या खातीर लॉ कितें आमकां कायदो कितें प्रोवायड करता, कायदो अप टू 4 हेक्टर्स जमीन प्रोवायड करता. त्या खातीर म्हजी विनंती आसा माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन एज ट्रायबल मिनिस्टर म्हणून की ह्या लोकांच्यो केसी आसा त्यो ताबडतोब निकालां काडपाक जाय. थँक्यू स्पीकर सर.